Stop. Did you know that every time you publish a piece of content, you're actually losing out on a ton of sales and customers? Let me explain. In a world overflowing with content, there is a harsh reality. If your message is not understood, it's ignored. Did you know that over 81.2% of the world's population does not speak English? In other words, by not translating your content, you're missing out on millions of potential viewers, customers, and fans. Think about it. Many social media users watch videos without sound, and countless others simply can't comprehend your message. So you're putting your heart and soul into your content only to feel like it's being ignored. Now that you know the importance of breaking language barriers, I might assume that the first thing that came to your mind is hiring a translator. The only problem here is that hiring professional translators is very expensive and time-consuming. Manually translating and subtitling content can slow you down, and let's face it, even automated tools often fall short in quality and accuracy. But not to worry, there's a much cheaper and easier way to do this, and do it even faster with accuracy. And that's where DubZoo comes in, a revolution in content localization. With DubZoo, we understand the challenges you face, especially if you're a small business or content creator on a tight budget, which is why we created an AI dubbing system where you'll experience unparalleled reach. DubZoo translates your content into over languages, ensuring every viewer understands your message. Efficiency redefined. Our instant translation and subtitle generation features save you time so you can focus on what matters most, your content. Quality assurance. Don't compromise on quality. DubZoo's advanced technology guarantees accurate translations that capture the essence and emotion of your original content. Cost-effective magic. No more heavy translation bills. With DubZoo, you make a one-time investment, which is perfect for businesses and content creators of all sizes. Our users have seen astounding results with DubZoo. Their content reaches new heights, engages global audiences, and brings in a lot more sales. But DubZoo is not just about translations. It's about unleashing your content's true potential. Imagine a world where every video you create can be watched and understood by anyone, anywhere. DubZoo goes beyond translation as well. Audio to multi-language audio. Extend your reach to the podcast and audiobook world. Convert GPL videos. Tap into the vast potential of GPL, which is general public license content, and reach global audiences. Customize to perfection. Mold your content like clay with AI-driven refactoring. True audio fidelity. Maintain the authenticity of your original audio. And the best part? It's easy as 1, 2, 3. First, upload your video. Second, choose your language. And third, export and publish. Remember, every video that isn't multilingual is a missed opportunity. An opportunity for more viewers, more followers, and more customers. And whether you're an online business owner, a marketing agency, or a content creator, DubZoo empowers you to connect with global audiences effortlessly. Get your access today for a one-time fee and unlock the full potential of your content. You're at an important crossroads right now. You can either 1. Dive into multilingual expansion with DubZoo. Multilingual content exponentially increases your global reach. DubZoo makes it seamless to translate video and audio content into languages or more. Starting now means opening your business to billions of non-English speakers, expanding your customer base. Or the second option is you could risk missing out on a global audience. As per CIA's Factbook 2022, only 18.8% of the world speaks English, meaning businesses not leveraging other languages are missing out on 81.2% of potential global customers. Without a tool like DubZoo, your brand remains limited, losing traffic to competitors, Multilingual marketing is the future, and those who don't adapt risk being left behind. Now, the choice is yours, and you know what? We believe in DubZoo so much that we're offering a risk-free trial. So you've got nothing to lose. Your content deserves to be heard by the world, and with DubZoo, it can be. Get started now, because this exclusive offer will not last long. As the importance of multilingual content becomes increasingly clear to businesses globally, DubZoo's demand is skyrocketing. To meet this rising international demand, we're reevaluating our pricing model. Secure your lifetime access now at this current unbeatable rate before the new global pricing structure is introduced. And we'll see you on the inside.